Hi guys, welcome back to the kitchen. Today we're going to be cooking some pancakes, was what we call them in the UK. You may call them crepes, but we call them pancakes. It's Pancake Day in a week's time, which will be Shrove Tuesday, just before Ash Wednesday and 40 days of Lent, or something like that. So it's frying pan time. We've got the Ninja non-stick frying pans here. We're going to be using those today. I'm going to show you how to make the batter mix. Very easy method of making the batter mix, and we're going to get cooking these pancakes. Let's get to it. So our ingredients we're going to be using today are some eggs. We've got 3 eggs there. We've got some plain flour. We've got some milk. We've got some coconut cream and some Nutella for the toppings. We've got a mixing bowl. We've got a glass jug there, which we'll be pouring the batter mix after it's mixed into. And we have 3 glasses, and these are very important for how we measure our ingredients to create the perfect batter mix. So let's get all this mixed up. So to create the perfect batter mix, we have my 3 eggs in the glass here. We have the same height in plain flour and the same height again in milk. Let's get all that into a mixing bowl. So there we go, there's all our ingredients in the mixing bowl. Now it's time to get it all whisked up and get rid of those lumps of flour. Make sure there's none of those. After that, we're going to be pouring it all into a glass jug. And there we go. There's our batter mix all mixed up. We're going to put that in the fridge for about 20 minutes, let it all settle, and then we can start cooking. So let's get this frying pan heated up. We're going to be using the middle hob on here, quite a high heat. There we go. Let's get that on there. These Ninja pans, I've got some saucepans, I've got a wok, a couple of frying pans. They're really, really good. We've had these for about 2 or 3 years now, and the non-stick has been great since day one. What we're going to do is just spray a little bit of vegetable oil into the frying pan. Okay, so the frying pan is up to temperature. I do recommend getting one of these real large spatulas for turning over the pancakes. It really does help. We may try and flip these, but I'm not that good at tossing. So here we go. Not quite a perfect circle. Maybe I could have put a little bit more in, but let's see how this cooks. So we'll just give this a quick shake. Yep, that's good. It's not stuck to the frying pan whatsoever. That's great. Now we're going to try and turn this. So with the wide spatula, it's a lot easier to pick up the pancake. And when you first turn it, give it a bit of a shake. We will turn this pancake over again in a moment. So let's give it another turn and see how it's cooking. There we go. Look at that. Looking more like a pancake now. So let's try and give it a toss. Oh, nearly. So this one's almost done. Give it another turn. Another toss. There we go. That one's done. First pancake ready. Let's transfer that to the plate. And let's get some of this amazing Nutella and some coconut cream, which is my favourite. So we're just going to put the Nutella over the top. It will start melting. There we go. Just spread it around a bit. This is my favourite pancake. And we get some of this amazing coconut cream. On it goes. And we'll spread that around a bit as well. As you can see, that's starting to melt as well. And once that's done, what I like to do is just get one of these ends and just roll it. And there we go. There's our perfect pancake. Let's give this a try. That is really amazing. Pancake is cooked perfectly, and as you can see, we've got that melted coconut cream and Nutella. Really is amazing. And that's how you get the perfect pancake. So if you like the video, please hit that like button, leave any comments down below how you do your pancakes. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. It really does help the channel out. And I will see you in the next video, guys. Happy Pancake Day. Bye for now.